chocolate, right? So, what are the ingredients that go along with this chocolate banana?
Ayan, yung stick, yung stick.
First step, dapat meron tayong banana. Meron ba kayong banana? Does everybody have their marshmallows?
Marshmallows.
Okay.
What else?
Does everybody have their chocolate sprinkles?
Ooh, sprinkles. What
Okay.
else?
Now,
Okay, open yung banana. 3 eggs, okay.
Can we start?
Yes, we can. Okay, we're gonna start. So, what's the first step here?
First step, peel your banana.
Okay? Pin na ba?
Okay? You must first peel your banana. Okay, now get your barbecue stick.
Oh, barbecue stick, Aaron. Put inside.
Hey, be careful
Aaron,
with the
Aaron.
barbecue stick, alright?
Ate, turuan mo sa Aaron, lagay mo yung barbecue stick.
Peel your banana. Okay, like this.
Ate, center. O, si Aaron rin, turuan mo. Aaron, tignan mo si
So,
ate.
just like a
Oh,
popsicle. Does
yan.
everyone have their banana on the stick? Like banana cube? Like banana.
Parang banana cue.
Now, we have our chocolate.
O, chocolate.
Peel
Ate,
your bananas in the
masyadong
chocolate.
malaki.
Is this the same chocolate as the chocolate
Yung
in the
stick,
bottom, or is
itulo
it
mo. Huwag mo ganyan. Yan,
Okay,
yan.
let's get the chocolate.
O, idip niyo yung ano. Yan. That's correct. May chocolate syrup ba kayo? Wala naman.
There we go. Just dip it around. Get the chocolate all around.
Parang walang chocolate syrup.
He's eating his
I
banana.
know.
Wait, we're gonna put chocolate. Don't you like chocolate? Alright, so then don't worry, the chocolate's coming around, so you guys have to spread it around the chocolate.
Bebe, wait.
So Chef Daisy, we have a child here who wants to be a chef. But he's already eating. He's already eating his banana. We've got the chocolate.
Okay.
Is there a
Now, press
technique?
your bananas onto your plate. Just put your bananas over your
Ayan.
plate.
Ay, dip.
Ano yan, dudulas. Hawakan mo, pwede mo naman hawakan.
Kasi
So
yung
after the
Aaron.
chocolate is on the banana, you put it on the plate, right? And then
Oh, one more yung kay Aaron.
you have to wait for it to get.
Ate, one more. Yung sa tagiliran. Yan, kuya, pakiusog na lang.
Then the
Yan, thank
chocolate
you.
process.
Dapat, malapit yung banana, so yung chocolate, mag-i-stick siya,
Okay.
magpaparte.
Ayan na. Aaron, mamaya malaki.
Thank you. Does everyone have their chocolate? Thank you. Does everyone have the chocolate? Yeah? Okay. So what's next? We have to let it get solid, right?
Next step, kunin nyo yung mga ingredients like
Ate, ilalagay mo, sprinkle mo. Yan.
Let's go.
Alright, so let's get the ingredients and then
Aaron, lagay mo yung mga chocolate marshmallow. Yan, go. Turuan mo siya, yan, ganyan. Okay, scattered nyo na lang dito sa, sa plate, yan, ganyan. Sige. Sige pa, yan, ganyan. Yan, good. O, yung alam mo yung chocolate naman, yung chocolate ate.
We don't have
Si Aaron ang paganonin
we
mo.
don't have to pick up. What would you recommend that we can use? Any type of nut?
Aaron,
Like
ate, lagay mo isa. Ay, mamaya pala kainin. Marshmallow.
Or like boy bawang or something?
Ate, lagay mo na doon sa banana.
Sorry. Okay, so it has to be something sweet. If not something sweet,
Tapos
you have to put
marshmallow.
nuts, right? Peanuts or something.
Okay, marshmallow, lagay mo rin sa plate.
Having fun there, Chef? Okay.
Yan, ganyan mo
You guys
yan.
have
Yan, ang
fun. You guys having fun making your
sarap.
chocolate? got the sprinkles on there, got the peanuts on there.
So kids, kung gusto nyo na masarap siya, dapat i-chill pa natin. But for this demo, I think you're gonna wait to
Ate, lagay mo yung marshmallow.
try and
Yan.
eat our chocolate banana.
Oh yeah. Tell me how it tastes. Oh, tell me how it tastes. Yes. Chef Matrix says yes.
Oh,
You
sige
can
na.
chef of a
You can
food
eat
over
na.
to the Chef Daisy's chocolate banana.
Okay. Kuya Kevin, why don't you try our chocolate banana? Pinipig. Masarap.
Very, very good.
Tanggalin nyo na yung gloves. Tanggalin mo na yung gloves.
I like the
Tanggalin mo
penny
yung
cake.
gloves.
I like the crunch of the penny cake. The penny
gloves.
cake. It's very good, the crunch.
Yung sa kamay mo, tanggalin mo na. Ate, tanggalin
Put
mo
all the
na.
sprinkles on there, all the marshmallows, and have
Ayan, pakainin mo na
eat
siya.
your chocolate banana, alright?
So kids, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa inyong chocolate banana?
Yes!
What do we all say to Chef Daisy and Chef Matrix? What do we say? Thank you. Louder, one more time. What do we say? Thank you. Alright, so guys, enjoy your banana, and we're going to be back for more cooking demo, right?
Yes.
What do we got?
Later, abangan nyo yung ating sandwich on stick. Okay?
Sandwich on a stick. Only from Chef Daisy, of course. Alright, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, he's excited. Alright, thank you very much. You guys enjoy your food again. Stay tuned, we have more cooking demos later on, okay? In the meantime, I do want to announce some raffles.
Masarap ba, Aaron? Aaron,
We have
masarap?
one winner up here for a t-shirt, courtesy of Tamayo's Kids Camp t-shirt, alright? One winner, Miss Jennifer Supa.